I thought it would be fun to take you on a little tour of one of our favorite vendors for prefabricated granite and quartz slabs in Tucson, Arizona, the Window Depot. The Window Depot offers a wide variety of beautiful natural stone and quartz countertops at the most competitive prices around. They stock granite and manufactured quartz in approximately 9-foot slabs for both standard cabinet depths and island depths to meet most kitchen and bathroom countertop needs. These prefabricated stock countertops include finished edges, which can help reduce the fabrication costs. They also have a special order program which allows more flexibility for those who are looking for something more specific, like additional colors, with a lead time of only 2 to 3 weeks. Contact us today for a countertop installation estimate using prefabricated granite or quartz from Window Depot. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.